My dear friend, I am Vijay Kumar Pal, an author of the English. These are my books. You can see this book is published on the Rudra publication, Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. This book, The Panorama of Indian Democracy, and how the some aspects of Article 14 is totally violated by its state itself. Means many abnormalities in India democracy and are violating the norms of constitution also. This is my second book, Lost Paradise Kashmir, published on Rudra publication, Bilaspur. This book is the reflection of the cruelty of the Islam when Hamadani, a Sufi saint, came to Kashmir. This was the black day and bad period to the Kashmir and the Vedic culture and religion. So I have written 10 books. So today we will discuss about the asylum of the Muslims in the non-Muslim countries. As we are all aware that Islam does not permit to reside the non-Muslim in the Muslims neighborhood, because Islam does not allow the respect to the non-Muslims. And I am amazing that even though the European people, when they were defeated by the Islamic Buddhism, especially in Spain, and the 70% of the Christian population was converted into Islam by the force of the sword, then why the Spain is giving the asylum to these Islamic goons? Yes, a true Muslim is an Islamic goon. Yasir al-Wajadi is a preacher of the Islam, means certified goon, who is living in Chicago in the United States of America. My dear Trump, the president of United States of America, have you not seen that the Twin Tower was demolished on the 9/11, 2001, and many innocent people were killed by the hand of these Islamic goons? Then why the United States of America is giving the asylum to the Muslim goons? And why the Canada and the USA are giving asylum to the Khalistani terrorists? These terrorists will engulf your society. The Islamic terrorism will engulf the society of the USA, Canada and the Western countries. Have you not read the history of the Islam, which is totally barbaric ideology against the human values, civil societies? Have you not read the life of the Prophet Muhammad? If you do not write the Prophet Muhammad, how you can say the Prophet was a good person? He was not a good person. Even he was the below rank of the bad person. Certainly, we must peep in the past what has been done by the Islamic goons. Spain was demoralized by these Islamic goons. This is only the Islam. Due to this, the many war was imposed by these Muslim goons, because Muslim ideology is the ideology attacks on the non-Muslims. Since inception of the Islam, 610 AD, when the Muhammad was so proclaimed prophet, there is no evidence that he was a prophet, and his work was just like a criminal person. How he can be a prophet? It is matter to think to all the Muslims which are following the teaching of the Islam, which is the terrorism. My dear friend, giving asylum of a Muslim person is a blunder, which is being committed by the non-Islamic countries, because a true Muslim is a pure terrorist. And he is more dangerous than anyone venomous snakes. Because a snake bites with a cause, but a true Muslim is always threat to non-Muslim life. So Quran is the death warrant of the non-Muslims. Quran is the book of the criminology. Quran is the book of the rapist, for the rapist. Quran is the book of the killings, murders. This book is totally a stupidity in the civil society, and it cannot be bear. Now, those jihadists and the communists and the candle gang of the India are screaming that there is a torture of Muslim throughout the world. No. Islam is the root cause of the torture of the non-Muslims throughout the world. When a Muslim kill a non-Muslim, this is not duty of any non-Muslim that he will give him a bouquet of the flowers. The resentment cannot be take place with the friendship, because Islam is so cruel ideology that a Muslim cannot be a friend of the non-Muslims. This is a verse in the Quran that the Christians and the Jews are the filthy, and a Muslim cannot be friend with them because they are filthy. They are najas, literally just like a stool or the excreta of the man. This is the Islam. So a Muslim is more dangerous than a cobra, because cobra has only teeth with or the fangs of the venomous fangs, and when he will bite, there is a remedy, because the vaccine of the anti-venom of the cobra is available in the hospital, but the anti-vaccine of Quran is not available in any hospital, because the Islamic goons are roaming here and there to kill the non-Muslims having the AK-47, AK-57, and at last they are burst out with the explosives that they will go to heaven. What type of stupidity they are following? So my dear European country, you must read the Quran and its brutality against the non-Muslims. You must read the history of the India, how the Hindu women were being raped by the Ahmad Abdali, Nadir Shah, Taimur Lang, and many other Muslim goons or the invaders, the certified the rapists, certified robbers, and certified killers. So it is very amazing that all the invaders are the icon of the Islamic countries, because invasion or attack on the non-Muslim people is not crime in Islam. This is an holy work of the Islam, which is known as Jihad Asghar. Then what we can do against this Islamic goonism? Certainly, if the logic where is fail, then the only way to fight against this Islamic goonism. And we are not doing this. Islamic terrorist has so many organizations which are killing the Hindus, the Jews, and the Christians throughout the world. But we are sleeping without army of the non-Muslim organization. We must have an army of the Kafir International Organization, and we must fight against the Islamic terrorism, which is in the shape of the rape of the non-Muslim women, as the Muhammad did with the Jews and Christian women. After that, the Zoroastrian women by the successor of so-called Prophet Muhammad. All the caliphates are the Islamic goons, because the brotherhood of the Islam is only in between the Muslims, not between Hindus and Muslims, not Muslims and the Jews, and Muslim and the Christians, and Muslims and the non-Muslims. So this ideology, totally outdated ideology, based on the barbaric adventure, and there is so many type of rapes which are inhibits in the Islam. Tehrus rape or Tehrus Balatkar in Hindi is such type of rape that the woman of non-Muslim encircled by these Islamic goons, and the round became so narrow that one man touch that woman that is non-Muslim and he will rape because he touched her first. And this is continue up to 200 or 300 persons, because Islam has no respect to women. Islam has no identity with the civil society, civil ethics. And those people which are the Saudi Arabia and the United Arab Emirates are behaving with the Hindus well, they are not true Muslims. My Arabian people is not true Muslims if they are befriend with the Hindus. But the rule of the Sharia is a totally goonism against the civil society and the non-Muslims. I hope that all the European countries will ban the admission of any Muslim in any non-Muslim country, because these Muslims which are coming in the shape of the refugees or taking the asylum, these are the sleeper cell of the Islamic terrorism. And these Islamic terrorism are feeling that we are in danger in the Pakistan, Bangladesh or India. Pakistan and Bangladesh and India. Pakistan, Bangladesh is a Muslim majority country. Then why are not going to take asylum in the Saudi Arabia and United Arab Emirates? Because Arabian people now reject the Islamic ideology, the Muhammadi ideology. So they are abstaining from these Islamic goons who are taking the asylum in Saudi Arabia and the United Arab Emirates. United Arab Emirates and the Saudi Arabia picked out all these past converted Muslims from Hindus and dragged out from their countries, because all the Islamic Arabian people are so good that many of them is not with the Muhammadi ideology or theology which is known as Islam. Though due to the fear of a role which is that if a Muslim convert to non-Muslim or atheist or agnostic, he will be killed by the rule of the Islam. Islam is rule of the cowards. Islam rule of the is Islam the rule of the barbaric dacoits or the robbers. Then why these peoples are taking asylum in those countries which are non-Muslim countries? So this is the stupidity of the non-Muslims or the government of non-Muslim majority countries, that they are giving asylum to these terrorists. Yasir al-Wazidi living in Chicago, he must be dragged out from the United States of America because he is teaching the Islam which is perfectly a terrorism. All the Islamic scholars which are living in the Europe from the Asian countries, they are the terrorists because they are preaching the Islam and teaching the Islamic education which is the terrorism. So my European countries, my white peoples or the Western countries must ban the introduction or the asylum to those Islamic goons, because these are not the refugees. They are the venomous fangs of cobra in the shape of refugee. They are perfectly terrorist because they are for 5-time namaz. They celebrate the many slogans, Allahu Akbar and Nare Takbir, Allahu Akbar. These are all terrorist slogans. So all non-Muslim must fight against the Islamic terrorism, and an army must be in favor of the civilization, human ethics and etiquettes against this barbaric ideology which is the Islam. And all the Islamic people must ban for, for the must ban by the Western countries, European countries, United Nation, United States of America, Canada, New Zealand, Australia, because Muslims are the serpents in your elbow. These are the sleeper, invisible goons, in shape of the refugee. They are coming to your country to rape your women, because the rape of women of the non-Muslim, Kafir as Christian, Jews, and the Hindus is allowed in Islam. Why are you giving asylum to these peoples which are following the Islam and are the and those work or deeds are holy to them, which is the rape, killing, and the robbery, the wealth of the non-Muslims, and rape with the non-Muslim woman. Islam is a definite crime against this society. So I would like to say that please don't give any asylum to the Muslims. President Trump banned the asylum to any Asian, but this is not correct. You must ban the Muslim asylum. That no Muslim must take any asylum in the non-Islamic country for saving the society values and fight against this barbaric ideology that is known as Islam. Thank you very much.